Attention business owners, just Google it. That is what you and I do when we're looking for a restaurant, a car repair shop, or practically anything under the sun. It is no wonder that 82% of people use search engines like Google to find local businesses. Further, 96% of GMB listings are viewed at least 25 times per month, with 49% of listings receiving over 1,000 searches per month. Incredible, isn't it? Achieving visibility on a search engine has never been more important for local businesses, more so in COVID-19 pandemic. Google My Business is a powerful tool that can transform how you drive customers to your local brick and mortar business and further develop trust with new and existing customers. If you haven't heard of it or are confused about how to set one up, we're here to help. Everything you need to know is right here. And that is why we want to make it a total no-brainer for you to get started today. Google My Business 3.0 training guide will enable you to create, claim, and optimize your GMB listing, to improve your local SEO rankings, to reach and attract new potential clients, to outgrow your competitors with latest strategies, to gain vital business insights and make strategic decisions. Presenting Google My Business 3.0 Training Guide is massive golden content written by skilled professionals that walks you through proven strategies, expert tips, and best practices for your success with GMB listings. Download this amazing guide and you can be on the bandwagon to success too. Hurry up! More and more customers are turning to Google search to find local businesses. A well-optimized Google My Business listing is crucial to getting in front of your customers before the competition. Click on the Buy button and grab the deal.